Cool. Go back a little. If your video is not looking like this, then you are missing a big time. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use your CapCut to zoom, and this will actually make your video to look smooth and clean and make your video look more professional than usual. In less than 2 minutes, I'm going to be showing you tricks that most top creators is using to keep people watching their videos. No stress, no confusion, just a simple steps that will help you change your editing game. Please watch till the end, because the last trick is the last trick that is very important in this video. So if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Joshua. I'm using Joshua on this YouTube channel. Mind you, I'm very new on this channel, so please, if my video is of help to you, please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. So let's dive into the tutorial aspect of this video. Let's head on to our CapCut. You click on it. If you've not created an account with CapCut, you need to do so. So you click on new project. Let's pick on a random video. Let's click on this video particularly. Okay, let me use this one as an example. Okay, so now let's add for instance, you want to zoom in CapCut. You just go to this, what is it called, effect. Now you see this effect here, you click on video effect. You click on video effect. So we have two ways of doing this, you get. So we have the manual way and we have the automatic way. So this is the automatic way of doing it. So you just go to here, you search for zoom. This is zoom, you click on zoom. So this is the first this thing. So you click on this one because this is the one I use in editing this video. So you click on it. Then let's go back. Let's click on it. So have you seen the zoom? Then for instance, now you want to kind of adjust. You click on adjust here. Either you reduce it, then you increase the range. You reduce the speed, you increase the range. So this is the perfect. So this is what is going to give you. So step 2, you go to this one from the beginning. You see this is step 2. I'm done with that step. So this is step 2. You click on this side. So have you seen it? This keyframe, you add a keyframe here from the beginning. Then depend on the part that part I said come, you click on, look at, I've put one keyframe there, then you put a keyframe at the end. So have you seen it? Then this middle, now you now drag it like this. You use your 2 fingers to drag it. So let me play it. Cool. Go back a little. So have you seen it? So let me put on this go back a little. So have you seen it? Cool. Go back a little. So have you seen it? I'm coming. Let me adjust this in a little bit. Okay, let me organize it. So you see this part that I said come. So I'll put on that keyframe here and this side. Then this one, this go back, you put a keyframe here, then you drag it back like this. So this is how to do it. So can you see it? Cool. Go back a little. So have you seen it? So this is how to do your zooming using CapCut. Then this other part is the manual way, you understand, in doing zooming. So these are the 2 ways which you can take your video from one level to another. For instance, you are using this CapCut. CapCut is very easy, but most of the features are pro. So most times I will advise you to use InShot, because I mostly use InShot to edit my videos because of the pro version of this CapCut. But this one is free. This keyframe and this adding of zoom is free. So but most of their effects here, they are pro. You guys pay money, you get now. So if you watch this video reach this extent, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.